Welcome back to Guide with Samuel, and in today's tutorial I'm going to show you a simple method to block spam emails in Gmail so you can enjoy a cleaner and more organized inbox. If you're tired of spam cluttering your messages, this quick guide is for you. Let's get started. First, log into your Gmail account by heading over to mail.google.com, and once you are in, take a look at the left sidebar of your inbox. You'll see sections like Inbox, Send, and Draft. Scroll down and click More to reveal additional folders. From the expanded menu, locate and click the Spam folder. Gmail automatically sends suspicious or promotional messages here. Inside the Spam folder, you'll see a list of emails Gmail has flagged. Go through them and click on one that you want to permanently block. With the spam email open, look at the top right corner of the message window. Click the three vertical dots to open Gmail's More Option menu. From the drop-down, select Block to a particular sender you wish to. A prompt will appear asking you to confirm. Click Confirm to finish. Next, Gmail will ensure that emails from that sender go straight to the spam folder moving forward, keeping them out of your main inbox. Remember, don't forget to regularly review your spam folder. Gmail sometimes mislabels emails. If you see something important, open the message and click Not Spam to restore it to your inbox. And that's it, guys. Now you know how to block spam senders and keep your Gmail experience hassle-free. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to Guide with Samuel for more helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching.